Hi everybody, this is Royal from Substrata. Today I want to talk about how you can use Perma-Zyme in conjunction with your gravel roads. So Perma-Zyme at its core is a soil stabilizer, and it's mostly used for unpaved road construction. So how it works is you spray the Perma-Zyme onto the soil and you mix it in, and then you compact it. Once you've compacted it, the Perma-Zyme is going to go through and bond to the soil particles and create a concrete-like surface that's going to last 10 to 15 years. So traditionally with gravel roads, people are putting gravel down to stabilize the surface, to make it so there's no rutting and the roads aren't going to wash out. But the gravel also does offer some friction and some traction for the vehicles. So there's also a big problem where the gravel will just continuously sink into the soil. So that's why you have to re-gravel your road every 6, 12, 18 months, depending on the use and climate and everything like that. So when you are constructing your gravel road, if you put Perma-Zyme down first, then it's going to create a very stable base. And then if you need to, for traction purposes or anything like that, you can put the gravel over top. And what it's going to do is it's going to severely decrease the amount of gravel that you need to put down on a regular basis. Because what's happening usually for applications that are not using Perma-Zyme is the gravel sinking down into the soil and just getting all mushed around and moved away. When Perma-Zyme has been applied, there's no place for the gravel to go, so it's just always going to stay on top. So what Perma-Zyme has done for you in that instance is created a very stable surface, so now you don't really have to apply your gravel on a regular basis. So if you have any questions about that or how to use Perma-Zyme, feel free to contact us, and thank you.